Today we will continue discussing the drafts of two documents, the State Armament Program for 2027 to 2036 and the State Program for the Development of the Defense Industrial Complex. Our defense industry enterprises, operating stably, are supplying the troops with all the necessary armaments and equipment, both for the units involved in the special military operation and for the armed forces as a whole. I want to sincerely thank the dedicated teams of our defense organizations for their selfless and valiant work and unwavering commitment. The decisions we made together and the timely state support measures have allowed us, in a short time, to reinforce the material and technical base of the defense industry enterprises and to expand production capacity for the necessary types of weapons across the entire supply chain. As a result, as I have noted many times, compared to 2022, the production of products and items in high demand during the special military operation increased manifold in 2023. Well, I can say for your information, the data is quite interesting. The production of armored weaponry increased by 2.2 times. For light armored vehicles, that is BMPs and BTRs, it increased by 3.7 times. Military aircraft, in comparison to civilian aircraft, increased by approximately 4.6 times. Automotive vehicles by 5.7 and missile and artillery weapons by 9.6 times. Communications and electronic warfare equipment by 12.5 times. Individual body armor by almost 18 times, 17.9. And munitions and ammunition by more than 22 times. All of this is the result of the work of our defense industry enterprises, and of course of the entire economy in general. Without development and without a stable situation in finance and the economy as a whole, this also would have been impossible. It is the result of our collective work. During the special military operation, the nature, forms, and methods of warfare are constantly changing. And the absolutely invaluable experience gained by our troops is being fully utilized in shaping the new look of the armed forces and the defense industrial complex as well. As we implement the new State Armaments Program, work in this area will continue. To this end, a set of measures has already been developed, which will ensure a consistent build-up of high-tech manufacturing with maximum automation, an increase in labor productivity, and, I want to draw special attention to this, a reduction in production costs. There is definitely still work to be done in this area. We must also continue to develop our testing and proving ground facilities, introduce artificial intelligence technologies, and develop advanced materials. All of this is designed not only to secure and consolidate the existing advantages of our weapons and equipment, but also to become a driving force for innovative development for the entire industry. There are already serious results in these areas, but of course, as is always the case, there is a lot of work ahead. We have already discussed these issues in detail at our previous meetings. Today, we will finalize the key indicators of the new state programs and the parameters for their financing.